technical problem. No, my neck belt was not connected. Mute everyone, bachcha. Someone is calling cricket score.
Yeah, sir, wait.
हाँ
So
ना.
you start.
हाँ. AP is perpendicular to PQ given. BQ perpendicular to PQ also that is given. And CQ perpendicular to PQ, that is tangent, radii, perpendicular theorem. To a single line, AP is perpendicular, BQ is also perpendicular, TC is also perpendicular. So you can say these are parallel to each other. So AP parallel to BQ, parallel to CT from first, second and third. This is first number, second number, third number, fourth number. Fifth, if three are parallel and this equal to this, then this equal to this. But this CA is equal to CB. Radii of same circle. If these two are equal, therefore PT is equal to TQ. Congruent, you can write. Application of BPD. If three lines are parallel, if this equal to this, then this equal to this. That is application of BPD. Why voice is coming in between, bachcha? Okay, now this equal to this and CT equal to CT. Common. And CTP, CTQ, each 90 or CT perpendicular to PQ. Now, this is common, these are equal, these are 90, so both are equal, these common, these are equal, these are 90, so by SAS is congruent. CTP, CTQ by side angle side test. Side angle side. Therefore, CSCT, congruent side of congruent triangle. CP congruent to CQ, congruent side of congruent triangle. Again, I want to say ACB P P Q. This is given 90. This is given 90. Both are given. Now this we have taken 90 because tangent, radii, perpendicular theorem. If on a same line, three lines are perpendicular, so all three lines are parallel. And these are the radii AC, CB. If these two are equal, so as per the application, these two are also equal. And now I have joined this and this. So in this triangle and in this triangle, this is common. This we have proved equal. And these are 90, 90. So SAS, SAS. It is not compulsory that when 90 degree are coming in both the triangles, so hypotenuse. No, because it is include angle. So SAS test. Now some question answer. Direct you have to write the answer. Measure angle TAQ. TAQ. This angle plus TSQ. TSQ. In this quadrilateral, both are opposite. In cyclic quadrilateral, when both are opposite, the total is 180. Opposite of cyclic quadrilateral. Now, AQP. 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 It is inscribed in AQR. So AQ is equal to this also. Switch off your mic. So there are two. ATQ. ATQ. With this, inscribe this. With this, inscribe this. ASQ. If this is AQ, how many angles? 1, 2, 3, all are equal. So these 1, these 2 are equal. Now, QTS, QTS, this angle inscribed by this arc. So this angle equal to this, because this and this are equal, and also tangent secant. So again it is congruent to two angles. So QTS, now QAS, SQR. Now TAS, TAS, this much only. How much? 65. So TQS, if this is 65 with this arc, 65, 65. If angle is 65, arc is double, because arc is half, arc is double of the angle, and inscribed angle is half of the arc. Half of the arc is 65. The full is 130. Inscribe in same arc. Take TS. TAS, TQS, both are equal, 65, 65. So if this is 65, so this must be 130. Now, AQP, AQP, this, that is 42. So SQR, SQR is 48. It is 58. Correct. So we want ATS. So this is 42 plus 58. How much? 100. So 100 inscribe half, that is 50. Again, this much angle is given. No, wait, it is given angle. Sorry. This is 48, this is 58. Correct. (42), 58. So x plus y plus z is equal to 180. Out of 180, this 100 gone. So this much is 80. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is a linear. And this quadrilateral, this is 100. So this will be 100. Sorry, this is 80. So this will be 100. 80x. I'm explaining again. This much is 42. This much is 58. So this much is 80. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180. Now opposite also it is 180. So this is 80. So this is 100. So 80s is equal to 100. Cyclic quadrilateral. So,
please explain again.
Which part?
Sir,
Full I am explaining. Full I am explaining. Correct. This term. A, T, S, Q, R, P, R. Now question wise. Question number 1. TAQ. This angle plus this angle. How much? Because this is a quadrilateral. Opposite is 180. So this one is clear. First one. Second one. AQP. AQP. This angle. AQP, that is inscribed by AQ. Suppose it is 100, so this is 50. Suppose this is 100, so this is also 50. Suppose this is 100, so this is also 50. This and this. So I have written both. Now third one, QTS. QTS, this angle. It is inscribed by this arc. So this equals this. See the diagram. Suppose it is 100, 50, 50, and by this arc, this is also 50. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then TAS, this angle is 65. So it is by this arc. 65, 65. that is TQS. So this is 65, this is 65, it is double. Now this I have to explain like this. 42, 58, so 100, so 80 remains. And opposite, this plus this is 180, so this is 100. By cyclic. Cyclic opposite 180, cyclic opposite 180, but this is the linear. How many? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, total 180. Linear 180, opposite 180. Inscribe in same arc, same. That 3 rules I have used in this full question, total number of 5 questions.
But sir, how it will be 80?
This plus this plus this is 180. Correct? Linear. Correct? X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180.
No sir,
Correct.
how it will be 80? 80.
Half zero, half. Array, wait. This is 180. Half circle 180. X plus Y
Yes.
plus Z. So X is 42. Y question. Z is 58. It is 180. Correct? So this plus this is 100. 100 plus how much is equal to 180? So this is 80. Follow?
Yes.
Okay. So now this plus this is 180. So 80 gone. So it is 100. In a circle, central angle is given 70. These both the chords are equal. So its arcs are also congruent. Now, in circle, if the arc is 100, so from that two calculation you can do. Measure of arc is exactly equal to the central angle. And measure of inscribed angle is half of the arc. Inscribed angle is half of the arc. Central angle is exactly to the arc. Now reversible. From the angle, inscribed angle, how to find arc double. From the central angle, how to find arc exactly the same. So measure angle, central angle is equal to inscribed arc. Both are equal. Now I am taking full circle. P to R, R to S, S to Q, now Q to P. One, two, three, four. Total it is circle. Circle means 360. Correct. So central angle is equal to inscribed arc. Total measure of circle. This is given 70. This is given 80. This is given no. Measure arc. Question. Plus 80. Correct. 788. 2230. Now measure arc SQ 230. It is 130. Measure arc. Now we want QSR. QSR. That is sum of what? QSR is equal to sum of QS plus arc SR. So this is QS that we got. This is 80. 210. Correct. So here we can write PQ is equal to RS given. Therefore, measure arc. PQ is equal to measure arc. RS is equal to 80. These both are equal. So this is 80. So this is also 80. Central angle is 70. So this is also 70. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 360. Total circle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 360. 1, 2, 3 given, fourth not given. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 230. 230 less. So 180. Sorry, 360 minus 230, so 130. So now we want this much. This is 130. 130 plus 80. 130 plus 80. 210. Now 17 and 20, that is of fill in the blank type. This is question wise. First, EFG is equal to FGH. EFG is equal to FGH. EFG. Wrong. No, I have written wrong. So this equal to this. Why? Alternate test. Alternate angle you can write. Second, only the fill in the blank you have to write. It is activity base. EQG, EFG, EFG. This is half of this, correct? Half of major arc. G. Third, inscribe angle theorem. Next, FGH. FGH. This is inscribed by this half of major arc. Opposite arc you have to mark, okay? Inscribe angle theorem. Fourth, so major arc GE is equal to major arc. These two angles are equal. Half of this is this, half of this is this. So both are equal. X is half of A, Y is also half of A. So X and Y both are equal. From 1 to 3. If both arcs are congruent, so chords are congruent. If chords are congruent, arcs are